Good morning, YouTubers. Good morning, beautiful people. It is about 8:30 in the morning, and I legit woke up literally like around 8 o'clock, my son and I. And to us, that's late because I'm just so used to waking up, like getting up about 4 in the morning most days. But so tired. Feel like I got missed most of my morning. Like, I hate getting up late. I'm a morning person. I'm a morning person at heart. But hubby and I went out last night. We had a date night. If you follow me on Snapchat, you'd have seen clips of that. We went to support a open mic, the hair salon that he goes to, because my husband goes to a salon to get his hair done. He goes to a salon in Brooklyn. He goes to get his locks maintained there. I don't. I do everything myself on my hair. But they had an open mic and it was wonderful. It's called salon is called New Wave Culture Creations in Brooklyn. They do a lot of things for the community, a lot of events, and it's just really, I really love going to support them. I always just love their events. A young lady from Taji magazine was there. They had open mic. So today is a wash day again. So I'm gonna prep my hair again with this item that I got in my vegan cuts box. Look who's in the kitchen helping me today. With the same robe on.
Ain't how I just do it.
You love that robe, don't you?
Sometimes. You don't like it.
Because you have it on all the time. I try to change up my attire.
I hear, this robe,
I'm going to cook.
This robe increases my sex appeal.
The robe increases your sex appeal?
I'm
Okay.
going to cook.
You are gonna cook, baby. But they're in the kitchen helping me today because we had a sink full of dishes, and I really hate doing dishes, and I don't like to do I don't like dishes in the sink when I'm cooking. So he's doing the dishes for me. And just to let you guys know, you know how I told you guys my husband is slightly OCD? When my husband washes dishes, first before he starts to wash them, he has to empty them out the sink and organize them first over here. So they're all organized like that. And then after he organizes them, he rinses them out, and then he washes them, and then after he washes them, then he rinses them, and then he puts them away. But he has to wash them and organize them in the sink also while he's washing them. So his dishwashing process is a while, right, babe? So today my mom is coming over. I gotta make dinner for my parents. So I'm starting early. It's 12 o'clock. I am making, what's on the menu today? So far, it's gonna be barbecue tofu, curry shrimp. I think I'm gonna make stuffing, vegetables. I think I'm gonna do plain rice today, not rice and peas. And we'll see whatever else pops up. But I gotta start early because my mom likes to. One, you want rice and peas? Or you want plain rice?
Plain rice and peas.
Okay.
So plain peas and plain rice.
Okay. Because my parents, when they like to eat early, so, and my hair is washed, so it's still drying. So you can help me cook also? That's a negative. So that's on the menu today, and then I have to clean this house. I have to clean, and I don't know when I'm gonna have time to do that. But let's see house when I get to finish cook, because I have some DIY things that I want to do. So we shall see. I gotta give you guys my outfit. Leggings on leak. So I'm starting to cook, and I don't have any potato. So I'm gonna go upstairs to my sister's kitchen to see if she has potato. And for you guys that were inquiring about the setup of a two-family home, let me give you a quick kind of tour situation. Let me turn this way. Let me turn the camera around first. This is the front door to my house. Like, I'm inside my, let me go outside maybe. Show you guys the real thing. Okay, so this is my front door here, okay? Once you enter the front door, this is what you'll see. There's a wall to the left which has all of our shoes and things, because we're from the Caribbean, you do not wear your shoes in the house. There's another accent wall over here. This is a holiday DIY wreath that I made. It's made out of an old dictionary that I had that was going bad, and I didn't want to throw the dictionary away. So basically I used the pages from the dictionary to make this wreath situation. I just put some balls, some inside. It's cool. I want to do it again to make it look even better because I don't like this part right here. But anyway, I digress. Anyway, so this is what you're seeing is a little table with a plant or whatever, right? Okay, so you want this is a from the front. This is the view that you see, and then our wall accent basically says family, like branches on a tree. We all go in different directions, yet our roots remain the same. But anyway, so that's there. Then you walk straight, you see two doors, one directly in front that leads upstairs where my sister lives, and this one that leads to this side, which is where I live. So it's two separate doors, separate entrance, separate rooms, separate everything. So this is my door to where I live, which is what you guys see most of the time. And this is where my sister lives. Got it? So now, we never usually lock our doors. The front door, which is this one right here behind me, we keep that locked. And at nights, we lock our own personal door, but in the daytime, we keep all the doors open because we go up and down each other's place all the time. So now I'm going up the stairs to where she lives, which is this way, which is much brighter. This is her decor. She's going to kill you for showing this because she's going to say, it's not clean, it's not this, but this is her decor. She has a kitchen. Her kitchen is separate from my kitchen. She has her own separate bathroom. Everything is separate, you guys. It's one house. It's not an apartment. It's one house. But everything is separate. So in her kitchen, let's see if she has any potatoes. And she does. And we share a lot. So she is at church today with her kids. And so the meal that I'm cooking is for the entire house and my parents. So that means I gotta make a lot. I think I need 1 or 2 potatoes, so. But I know they're going out later to a birthday party, so they might not eat that much from what I cook. But that's it, you guys. I got my potatoes. Now I'm gonna go back downstairs by me. Stairs, down, down, down. And her bedrooms and her bathroom and everything is all up there. She has 3 bedrooms, and the kitchen and the bathroom and everything. See, now back down by me, through my door. When you come through my door, this is my decor. You're fighting the monsters? Good job. Fight the monsters with the sword. Okay, I'm coming to see. Mine is not as bright because she's on the top floor. She gets more sunlight. My decor is a little bit different. Amazing. Onions and garlic are sauteing. The shrimp is stuck over there. This is the curry powder that I use. Potatoes, veggies. So that's to make the curry shrimp. And then this is the tofu. It's in paper towel because this is how I let it sit like this for a few hours, maybe an hour or 2 in the paper towel with something heavy on top. This is how I get a lot of the liquid out before I start making it. So this is just pressing against it and the paper towel is absorbing the liquid. And that's that for now. So shrimp is being cooked. Yummers. And then the tofu, I cut them in cubes. I'm going to put them in the oven for about 10-15 minutes. Bland, nothing on them. This is just to have some more of the water evaporate so that it's not that much water inside the tofu. And also because I'm hearing about the noise, hubby's still doing dishes. But so that it has a nice little crunch to it. That's why I put it in the oven for about 10-15 minutes. And I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. This is becoming into like a cooking video. This Sunday vlog, it's turned into a cooking video. I'm sorry you guys if you guys don't like cooking videos, but it's turned into a cooking video. And a what?
And a cup.
And a cop. Let me see a cop outfit. Oh, what's in the backpack? You're a cop today? Is your cop glasses? And what's in the backpack? What is it? Let me see. Oh, your cop stuff. Okay. Very good. Carry on. Oh, cops definitely need lip balms, right? Because their lips get dry?
Cops don't need that.
So why is it in your backpack?
Take it out.
No, leave it. What else do you have in here? Oh, okay. That's all your cop stuff. All right. Carry on, officer.
Okay.
Real quick, you guys, I wanted to address something. When you guys see me do Sunday Fun Days, you see me cook a lot of vegetarian / vegan food because those are the foods that I choose to make in my home. I cook vegetarian and vegan food in my home. However, I personally am not a vegetarian or a vegan. I do eat meat occasionally, but if you see me cook, you probably would never see me cook like chicken or anything like that. I will cook shrimp and fish occasionally in the home, but nothing, you'll never see me cook chicken or anything like that. But I am not that there's anything wrong with it, but I don't want you guys to get confused and think that I'm lying to you if you guys ever see me eat chicken one day. 1 minute, Naz. But I just wanted to address that real quick. The meals that I cook in my home are predominantly vegan, vegetarian. But me, myself, I'm not. My husband is a vegetarian. My son and I are not. We eat meat occasionally, like if we go to a restaurant, we might order chicken, or if we have like a family function, we might eat chicken. But other than that, the meals that we predominantly eat are vegan and vegetarian. But I myself and my son, we are not, because we eat meat occasionally, not often, but occasionally. Okay? And I actually enjoy eating this way because it's a good balance for me to mix my food. Like, it's healthier for me, so I prefer and I enjoy cooking this way, and I enjoy eating this way. This is why I do it. The daddy and son cop team.
Put these guns in my bag.
So you guys are
Cops
your cops. Let me see.
don't have swords.
Cops don't have swords.
No.
What do cops?
Put the
Oh, it came off.
So you guys are cops.
Yeah.
Okay, well, have fun playing cops while mommy cooks. Your cops wearing your cop backpack.
Yeah.
Okay. And you guys are putting your ammunition in your backpacks?
Uh-huh.
All right.
Because we're cops.
Okay. So now these two are playing old school video games. I guess Cops was a short game. But look, they're playing old school video games. And this is really old. This was like a video game set they had, like with all the old games on it. So that's what they're playing right now. Okay, this is what they're playing. It's the Genesis Classic Game Console. It comes with 80 built-in games. My husband saw it and decided he wanted to get it so he could play it with his son. All the old school games. So let's see what it has. It has Sonic, I guess Mortal Kombat 2. Oh, okay, let's see some of the games that are built in. Alex Kidd, Alien Storm. Yes. Mortal Kombat, Sonic Spinball, Sonic the Hedgehog. Tofu, they're out of the oven. It's not that crazy, but it's a little bit of brown to it. They've shrunk in size. So a little bit of crunch to it. I like it like that. It's much better. And now I'm going to make the barbecue base for it so that I can coat it with the barbecue sauce and a whole bunch of stuff. I'm not going to record the entire process, but this is the new barbecue sauce I'm going to try from Trader Joe's. Never had it before. But as usual, I'm going to hit it up because, you know, I'm Jamaican. So I'm going to put some Jamaican jerk seasoning with it. Not too much because, you know, they can't angle the pepper in this house. Like, my husband and them don't like a lot of pepper. He likes the small amount. If it was up to me, pepper all the way. I love pepper, but they can't handle it. So I'm going to put some jerk seasoning with the barbecue sauce. Alright, you guys, so time is 2:51, so basically almost 3 o'clock, and I'm basically almost done with dinner, with the exception of 2 things that are still cooking. So let me show you what I've made so far. That's the barbecue tofu, yummers, and the curry shrimp is done, also with the potatoes, and then the rice, I just made plain rice today, plain brown rice, and I also made stuffing because I have an obsession with stuffing. I eat stuffing all year round. It doesn't have to be Thanksgiving or anything. I do like stuffing. I don't know why. And then I've decided to just saute some veggies. So that's what's still cooking right now. Almost done. And I had some sweet potatoes in the fridge that was about to go bad. So I decided to bake them with a little bit of olive oil and salt and pepper. And that is it. So once this is done and the veggies is done, I am completely done. And my hair is still wet, so I might just do some maintenance to my hair also. So dinner is done. We ate. Look who's on cleanup duty again. You made the silliest faces. You stop.
That's why I'm excited to do dishes, Chase.
Whatever. So he's on cleanup duty in the kitchen. That's what he's doing.
I'm cleaning up these boxes.
Good job, Papa. Clean up those boxes. But yeah, so honestly I don't care to wash dishes. I don't like washing dishes. It's not one of my things to do. I do a lot of things, but washing dishes is not something that I enjoy. So my husband enjoys it, so not enjoys it, but he doesn't mind doing it. So I do all the cooking. The cleanup goes to him. But now in my son's room, his room is the only room in the entire house that has carpet. Because when he was a baby, I didn't want to get rid of the carpet because of safety reasons. You know, I don't want him to fall on the hard floor. So now his carpet is pretty dirty. Well, he has carpet, which I want to get rid of eventually. Now that he's older, I want to get rid of it. So this is the only room in the house that I have to vacuum. So we're going to vacuum it, right, my love?
Yeah, because we're smart.
And we are clean.
I should say clean.
Yes. So we are going to vacuum his room. It's about 6:30 now. And now I'm going to get ready to do a slight, very light cleaning in my living room. I have to do basically sweep. That's all I'm going to do for tonight. And I'm going to take a chill pill and relax. So I'm just going to sweep out the living room because there's a lot of dust. And it's a lot of, when you have a child, there's a lot of crumbs and a lot of food particles always somewhere in the house. So I like to keep the food particles at bay because I don't want any rats, rodents, or anything like that. So I try to keep those at bay. So now I'm going to sweep the entire living room. Okay, you guys, this is it. It's going to be basically the end of the vlog. I'm not going to bed yet, but I'm just going to be hanging out with the family for the rest of the night. It's about 7 o'clock. I washed my hair today, as you guys know. And I just let it air dry, basically. I didn't do much. And after I washed it, I just finished oiling my scalp with castor oil, peppermint essential oil, and rosemary essential oil. And I gave myself a little mini scalp massage, but you see all the new growth. But that's it. I don't think I'm gonna be doing anything else to my hair right now. I'm just getting ready for end of the night. What I'm doing now is I'm rubbing lemon all over my face because lemon is a good toner, and for some reason my skin loves lemon. I discovered this from about a year or two ago. I was watching Barbadian 261. She had a lock channel here on YouTube. She's mostly on Instagram now. She really does videos. But she usually uses lemon at night to help tone her skin. And ever since I started using it, my skin just loves it. So ever so often, maybe once a week or once every 2 weeks or so, I just rub a piece of lemon all over my face. Some people wash it off. Sorry, I'm not looking at you guys. I'm looking in the mirror. So, sorry. Some people wash it off. Some people don't. I leave it on overnight until tomorrow morning. And when I wake up the next morning, my skin is nice and tight. It feels, it's just nice and tight. Nice and even toned. Basically, that's it, you guys. Thank you for hanging out with me today. Hopefully you had an awesome Sunday, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, and follow me on all my other social media networks. Those links will be right below. And thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to enjoy your journey. Good night. My biggest fear about getting locks before I got locks. Basically, the main reason why it took me so long pictures and document your journey. It is so much fun when you look back at it. I just love it. It's one of my greatest pastimes.